On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a really pretty French roll using a technique that allows you to fake how much hair you actually have. Usually when I do these French rolls, they are pretty flat to the head and lack that kind of voluminous look that most people get from a French roll because they have a lot of hair, and when you wrap the hair, it creates all that volume. But when you don't have a lot of hair and it's not very long, it kind of goes flat, and that's fine. It usually looks like this when I do one. But we are going to do it a little bit differently today, and I'm going to show you what I do to create a much fuller look with my French roll. We're going to tease the hair. Now my hair is clean, and the only product I have in it is a volumizing mousse when I blow dried my hair. So we are going to tease sort of all the hair from our ends to about the mid-lengths. We're not going to tease the top because we want the top to stay nice and smooth, but we're going to create volume with teasing. The key with teasing to not create breakage or tangles is to tease correctly. The incorrect way to tease is to go up and down. That will create tangles in your hair that can break the hair and cause breakage when you have to brush it out. The correct way is to take small sections of hair, place your brush or your comb in it, and push up. And you only push up, you don't push down. That's gonna come out surprisingly easily. So we're just gonna go all around creating that teasing. Just up to the mids, and not in our bangs. Doesn't have to be a crazy amount. I'll show you. Just gonna create some fullness. Now, I don't put any product in it like this because product, again, is going to make it harder to get out, and because we're gonna pin all this hair up, product isn't necessary because we don't need it to stay while our hair is down. If you are going to do it, I suggest starting to work with the hair very quickly because this teasing will start to fall out very fast, the way that we've done it, really gently. But because we're going to pin all of our hair up, it's going to stay pinned and it'll be fine. But don't tease your hair and then do your makeup or walk around and do other stuff because it will fall out. I'm going to get my bobby pins. Like always, I am using blonde bobby pins because they match my hair better than, say, using a dark bobby pin. I always suggest using bobby pins that match your hair. All right, so we are going to pull the hair now towards the back. I almost brushed it, but we don't brush it. So I'm going to pull it across the back, and I'm going to secure it with a couple bobby pins. The first thing you're going to do is take a couple bobby pins and just pin the base over to whichever side you want it to go. Then you're going to grab the ponytail and roll it back towards the way it came and secure it with some bobby pins. When you are securing it, you want to make sure that the bobby pin is grabbing a bit of hair from the roll and a bit of hair from the base so that you're securing them together. Otherwise, when you let go, it's just going to fall down. So once you've got that secured, you should probably only need 2 to 3 pins. If you're finding you need to put like 100 pins in, then you probably just didn't roll it very well and you want to go back and start again. Too many pins is going to make it really heavy and likely to fall out. Now, the one thing I didn't do here was I forgot to check the crown of my head. It doesn't look terrible if you leave it parted like this, but I prefer a more smooth look. So I did go back and smooth out the crown, but I forgot to film that part. So we'll just imagine I did that. You can see there also I pulled the top up, and that also just helps to give it a bit more polished look. There we go. You can see it is a much fuller French roll than if you didn't do all that teasing. So hopefully that gives you another technique you can try. And just to show you how easy that teasing is to get out, we'll just take the hair out, and I will show you that if you did it correctly, it shouldn't cause any tangles or breakage or damage to your hair just because you've teased it. So you'll see right away, a lot of the teasing has already started to just fall out. So what I will do is just shake my hair, and a lot of that, almost all of it, is gonna just fall out on its own. And then we'll take the hairbrush, start at the bottom, work our way up, comes out no problem. There we go, all done. Hair is all brushed out and it's like the teasing was never there. So I hope you found that helpful. I hope that gives you a fun new hairstyle to try on your hair, and it's a great way to fake how much hair you have if you are self-conscious about how thin your hair is. Thank you so much for watching today. Please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber here, like my video, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, because I do post them on my shorts every day, and I post 3 like this every single week. Until next time, bye!